This is a continuing video of cleaning this bathtub. Check out my channel. I posted a video on using Bon-Ami or Barkeeper's Friend, Comet, toilet bowl cleaner, hydrogen peroxide, all these other cleaners, and did they work or did they not? So originally this used to be about a 3 foot by 2 foot brown stain, and this is all that's left. And everything that I've tried is not removing this last section. So I'm going to try using vinegar. You got to be really careful with these chemicals. You don't want to mix chemicals. You don't want to mix them in the tub. You need to wash them all down the drain before you try something new. You don't want to leave it on the surface for more than a minute or so. You could damage the surface. You could ruin the finish, the paint, the coating. So look it up online if you're not sure. Make sure that you can put this stuff on there. What I'm going to do for this last final test is I'm going to put vinegar on here and see, will vinegar remove the last bit of dirt off of this tub. So let's get the camera positioned over here. It's going to be a really quick video, very quick test. Check out my channel. You will see what else I used that did remove 90% of this yesterday. And we're just down to the very last bit right now. I've got a bottle over here. They say put this on there. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. It's going to work through a chemical reaction is what's going to happen. And if you mess up, you could damage the finish. So make sure you get some good ventilation. We'll just see, is this going to even take it off? You'll know right away. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. That's the whole thing with these cleaners. People that say you need to let it soak for a day or two, that's not really true. So I'm looking at it. I'm wondering, is it lightening a little bit? I can't really tell yet. That's the tricky thing about this, is that when you're cleaning these tubs, you scrub and you scrub and you think it's coming off or it's getting lighter. And then you look and you say, well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. So let's work on this one little area. I think it's getting lighter, but I can't really tell. Boy, do I wish that I had the window open right now. And that's what I'm going to do. It's way too strong. Get a little better lighting in here. Pour a little bit more vinegar. You want to use the white vinegar. You don't want to use apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to work this little area right now. And we're going to know within a minute or two, does this work? I would say as of now, it doesn't appear to be working. This was caused by keeping a bathtub mat on the bathtub, and this is mostly water buildup, iron buildup, maybe rust buildup, and let me work this one area. That way I will know. I don't think it's working. There's a porcelain tub. It's the old style porcelain tub. I'm going to work this one bottom piece here to see, you know, I'm starting to think maybe it's doing something. Maybe it's actually doing something. Let me turn off the camera, and I'm going to soak this for a while, and we'll see. There it is, people. Using vinegar, which everybody says you got to use vinegar, and I don't remember. Some people say you want to mix vinegar. I don't know if it was with baking soda or salt or lemon juice or who knows what it is. One was supposed to be an acid or an alkaline, I don't know. I don't remember that. All I can tell you is that this vinegar has been on this tub for about 5 minutes or more. It has done absolutely nothing to remove this stain. There's no dirt coming out. This is probably an iron or rust stain from the water and the bathtub mat. Check out my channel, and you will find a video that showed you what removed 99% of this within seconds. But vinegar. All those YouTube influencers that made hundreds of thousands of dollars with videos saying that baking soda and vinegar removes stains, you will notice on all of those videos that they had a brand new tub and they just mixed a little bit of chemical and put it on the outside of the tub. They wouldn't even put it in their tub. And they said, oh look, this is what it does. And you made them very rich, but it doesn't work. Thanks for watching. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Donation link in the video description.